We guide you through how to undo or delete the don't recommend channel feedback on your YouTube so you can restore video suggestions from the channel. First thing you need to do is open the YouTube app or website and sign into your account. Next, click on the three dots menu next to the video from the channel you previously marked as don't recommend and check if there's an option to undo. On mobile, it may appear briefly right after you submit feedback. If the option is no longer visible, go to Settings, select History and Privacy, and tap Manage All Activity under your account's activity controls. Look for any Don't Recommend channel actions and remove them. After clearing this feedback, YouTube will start showing videos from that channel again in your recommendations. This ensures you don't miss content from creators you may want to watch in the future.